Hey everybody, my name is Nathan Wardy, and I am an undergraduate research engineer for the Center of Industry Solutions. And the Columbia Fireflies have tasked us with throwing the first pitch of USC Knights baseball game with our Spot Boston Dynamics robot dog. So we did something similar last year where we used the arm to kind of throw it. But this year we want to do it one step further and use a cannon. So first, I want to show you kind of an idea of what I want to do to make this happen. First of all, we're going to start with two ESP32s. One of them will be inside of a remote we have. So we'll press this button, and then this ESP32 will send a signal through this antenna. It will be received by this other antenna, which is then connected to a relay. This relay is then changed from a 0 state to a 1 state, which will allow the power from the robot to open and then send to this solenoid. And this is the cannon right here. This is called a solenoid release valve. And this little piston right here will go up, releasing air through this little channel through here. In reality, it's going this way. We have a safety switch, so if for whatever reason this opened on accident, we wouldn't be shooting cannons randomly. So this safety switch is opened, we send the air through, and when we load the air through this little inlet, this piston is pushed up against this wall. The air can escape in through this section, but it has a really hard time pressing back out. So upon release of the air, it's gonna pull all the air that's in front of it out, and it's gonna create a vacuum, which then forces the air through here, and then out through the front, and anything that's blocking the path of it. So.
All right, so things didn't go to plan. They did not have the 3-inch Schedule 40 pressure rated PVC. So, I mean, there's nothing really we can do to not do it. There's nowhere that sells it right now. I could get this in a few days, but we need this now. So, solution, they do so Schedule 40 pressure rated for 2 and 1 inch pipes. So I have improvised and created a cannon in the plumbing aisle. So we'll have this with the interior tube. This will go on this end, fits into here with this coupling, and we're able to pressurize it. We're using these two things as the piston glued together. And then we need to find rubber grommets, but other than that, very big improvisation, but I think we did it. We'll see.
After the controller and the scaled down model was complete, I was ready to go ahead and make the full thing. Once the parts got in, I went ahead and got started.
Today, so like it's actually like
So everything was going great, except for one problem. The piston didn't properly seal with the inner barrel.
It's an unfortunate reality.
Time committed to a project doesn't always guarantee results. In engineering, what matters is what works. So I made the call. I started over, simplified, and built it right.
Fire test 1.
Bring up again.
After initial testing, I decided it was time to get this in CAD, just so I have something solid to do the final brackets off of. That was really bad. At least it's not glass case.
You take off the tree now. Does he? Let me know if he. And it launched a ball of rags like. Okay, are you ready?
Let's see it.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so good.
1. 50 psi. 2, 1. Water.
Okay, so do you want it to go back?
Well, anywhere, as long as you can just make it sit.
Bro, where is he going?
100 psi, Noble.
He's got it.
Noble, it's 100 psi, Noble.
He's gonna go.
You sure?
Oh my god.
We'll swap when we get down before it goes out.
How are you feeling?
This is fucking nuts.
He's giving the first pitch.